guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be preparing one of my all-time favorite French potato salads. It's loaded with a ton of different herbs and it's super fresh and delicious. Now let's get started. Okay guys, so to start this fresh and delicious potato salad, I'm starting off by adding 2 pounds of red potatoes to my pot. I'm going to bring this up to a boil. Choose all of the small potatoes, which will cook in very little bit of time. Cover this with water and bring it up to a boil. And for those of you who are new to my channel, I post videos every week. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell so you won't miss out. Once you're able to stick your fork into your potato, this means that it's ready. Go ahead and drain out all of that water and place them to the side to cool. To make the vinaigrette we're going to be tossing these potatoes in, I'm taking about a tablespoon of fresh tarragon and chopping it up. Place it into a large enough bowl to mix everything up well, and for the next of the herbs, I'm going to be chopping up some fresh chives. All of these herbs could either be fresh or dried, whichever you prefer. And once that's added, I'm then going to be pouring in 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of red or white wine vinegar. Some Dijon mustard is then going in, some salt and pepper to taste, and for the last ingredient, I'm adding some parsley. All of these spices give this potato salad its unique French flavor, which will really stand out from your typical mayonnaise version. It's very addictive. After you have just one bite, you want to go in for more and cut up all of those potatoes, depending on how big they are, and you want to cut them all around the same size. Place them into your bowl with all of that herb mixture and give everything a mix. Look at all those fresh and delicious flavors coating all of those creamy and tender potatoes. Enjoy this warm or at room temperature. It's a lighter version of potato salad with an explosive taste.